Kael receives monthly allowance that increases by 250 pesos every month. During the first month, he receives 2,000 pesos. In which month will Kael receive 5,250 pesos as his allowance? Let us write the given. We have 250 pesos increase every month, so that is the common difference. First month, 2,000, so that is A sub 1. And A sub n is 5,250. We are asked of n in which month. Again, A sub n is A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub n is 5,250. A sub 1 is 2,000. N is unknown. And d is 250. Subtract 2,000 from both sides of the equation. And we have 3,250 equals n minus 1 times 250. Divide both sides by 250. So n minus 1 equals 13. So add 1 to both sides. So 14 is equal to n. So in which month? So on the 14th month. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!